How do I install non-LG Content Store apps on my LG Smart TV?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many LG Smart TV owners have been asking about: how to install non-LG Content Store apps on your LG Smart TV. We'll guide you through the steps, so even if you're not a tech guru, you should be able to follow along just fine.
What do you need to know?
Before we start, it's essential to note that LG Smart TVs run on a proprietary operating system called WebOS, which does not inherently support the direct installation of apps outside the LG Content Store. Hence, we'll be using a workaround that includes the use of an external device, such as a Firestick, Roku, or an Android TV box. It's important to understand that this procedure might not work for all apps and could potentially infringe upon the terms of use of your device and the apps you're trying to install. Therefore, proceed with caution and respect all applicable laws and terms of service.
How to install an external device?
First, you need to install and set up your external device. For this example, we'll use an Amazon Firestick, but the process should be similar for other devices. 1. Connect the Firestick to one of your TV's HDMI ports. 2. Switch your TV input to the HDMI port you used for the Firestick. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Firestick, including connecting it to your Wi-Fi network.
How to install non-LG Content Store apps?
Once your Firestick or other external devices is set up, you can download and install apps that aren't available in the LG Content Store. 1. Navigate to the Firestick home screen and go to the Search function. 2. Search for the Downloader app and install it. This app will let you download APK files directly onto your Firestick. 3. Open the Downloader app and type in the URL of the APK file you want to download. Be sure you are using trusted sources to avoid malware. 4. After the APK file is downloaded, the Firestick will automatically give you the option to install the app. 5. Follow the prompts to install the app. Once the installation process is complete, you can open the app right away, or find it later in your Firestick apps list. And there you have it. You now know how to install non-LG Content Store apps on your LG Smart TV using an external device. Always remember to use this responsibly and respect the terms of use of both your LG Smart TV and the apps you're installing. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.